Music, snap that motherfucker back.
I just want some money. Yeah, I just want some money. Yeah, I just want some money.
Alright y'all, I'm back with another reaction video. Today we're reacting to them Alcorn State Golden Girls. I haven't reacted to them on my channel yet, so we're gonna get into that. This is actually a flashback. It's Flashback Friday, so I'm gonna be reacting to old, march-ins and, good era bands of previous years. I haven't reacted to this year's Golden Girls team, and I'm gonna get into that. But right now we're doing a flashback. I believe Alexis is the captain, if I'm not mistaken. I see Khalida, so I'm not sure what year this is. Shout out to Khalida, who is super sweet, phenomenal dancer. But yeah, this is a flashback. And you know what? Everybody on Facebook was coming at Alcorn, and I want to know why. I want to know why everybody on Facebook been coming at Alcorn. Like, they've been whooping ass in the SWAC. How many championships they got? I don't know. Band is great. They look good every time I see them. So y'all let me know in the comments why everybody be coming for Alcorn like that.
Please welcome to the Capital City Classic, the Alcorn State University Sounds of Dynamite.
And you know what I do love too? It's something about them I really like. I love their colors. That purple and gold go together. They're good. Like, everybody was telling me, like, the J-sets is the best. The Stingettes are the best. But they leave out them Golden Girls. The Dolls is the best. But actually, if I had to choose, like, my top two, who's top tier to me, are the J-sets and the Golden Girls, especially during this era. But what y'all gonna stop doing is coming for Alcorn, because y'all gonna let me know, and y'all gonna let me know in these comments right now why y'all keep coming for Alcorn. Roll off. Come on. Y'all let me know down below. What was y'all favorite year in the SWAC? Like, what was y'all favorite year where you were just like, they unstoppable? Oh, here they go. And whose songs y'all like? Who's marching y'all like the best? Yeah. Get it. Hey. They getting it. Now I'm watching this one because I heard there's a surprise in it. I heard them GGs fuck up the ramp. So I'm about to judge for myself. like them so much. Like I said, I haven't got to react to any of the new Golden Girls. Like I said, they got all the D4L up in that bit on that new squad. They got the twins. They got they got a whole gang of dancing dolls on the Golden Girls. So I'm gonna react to this season. But right now it's Flashback Friday. Those uniforms, the GG Golden Girls uniforms is cute. They're adorable. I like those. Bow. 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 Y'all know how hard that is? Bow. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Oh shit. Okay. Okay. Oh. Ooh. Yeah. Now I always say this, but they look good. They look good. Okay. Yeah. Alright. I'm thoroughly impressed with this. I am thoroughly impressed with this Flashback Friday, y'all. Yes. They just, when I say they just slayed this rant, I mean they slayed this bitch and left nothing on it. Like, they slayed that. Ooh. That was, I like that. That was dope. That was dope. What, I think this is 2017? 2017? They slayed that. Now that's an entrance. That's what you call an entrance. That's what you call, that's a statement right there. Like I said, I haven't watched any of the Golden Girls this season. But I hope they slaying like that. But like, that was crazy. That was crazy. Y'all know I love that boom, that sonic boom, but this year, whatever year this is, they was knocking on the sonic boom's door. They getting it. That was entertainment. That was legit entertainment. I can't believe they fucked that ramp up like that. Excuse my language, y'all. They killed that. Go ahead, Golden Girls, man. Flashback Friday. But y'all do, you know what y'all can do while y'all watching this video? Do me a favor, hit that that subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you can know when I'm posting a reaction or another lit video. Let me know in the comments what y'all want to see, who y'all want to see me react to. But I know I'm about to get ready and wrap this thing up, but Flashback Friday. Y'all did not feel me. That was thoroughly entertaining. That was thoroughly entertaining. Like, but y'all, I'm about to get ready and wrap this up. I wanted to see the Golden Girls flashback. I'm slaying this ramp. I'm gonna get into the other ramp slays too, cause look,